What up? It's your girl Pichehair. Okay, so today I want to go ahead and review some products. I have tried a couple of their products before and they work pretty good, but I just want to give it another go and see how it turns out. Sometimes, you know, depending on the weather, depending on the time of day, whatever it is, products work well at some point, and then another time they may not work as well. So I just wanted to try it again. I will confess it was a good wash and go. But like I said, we're going to try it again and see what's up. Now, as far as this product line that I'm talking about, it's Alikay Naturals. Okay, they had the lemongrass. So I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, and I went in with the Hold It styling gel. All right. Now, I will say, without getting into too much on the stylers, I want to get into the fact that I didn't see a shampoo and a conditioner. So with that being said, I just went ahead and stuck with the brand, and I got a shampoo and a deep conditioner. If you guys don't know this already, I deep condition my hair like 99.9% of the time that I wash my hair. And the reason why is my hair is pretty dry, and I just want to make sure that once you rinse out all the dirt, that moisture comes out too. So you want to make sure that you're replenishing your hair, and rinse out conditioners just don't usually do it for me. So with that being said, the shampoo that I got is the Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo, and the deep conditioner that I got is the Avocado Cream Moisturizing Repairing Mask. All right, so these are interesting. I would say this Moisturizing Black Shampoo, it's pretty watery. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's pretty watery, and I'm a little concerned with that. I know, you know, with my hair being so thick, I typically go in with something a little bit more thick, something with a little bit more texture to it, substance. This right here just looks like water, so I'm not sure. But let's smell it. I'm gonna give it a good smell. It smells pretty good though. Now I will say that it does smell good. Okay, now let's look at this avocado cream. Now what's funny to me about this stuff, you guys, it does smell good. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like, it has pictures of the fruits. I mean, like pictures of flowers on it, but it smells fruity to me. It smells fruity to me. We're going to take a look at the ingredients in a minute here. But also, I'm looking at the fact that it's green. I don't know how I feel about that, because it's a little green. I don't know. But, I mean, it is avocado cream, so green would go. But in my mind, I don't know. So, we gonna see. Let me go ahead. I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to get into the shower and do this wash day. And on the next video, I did want to tell you guys, I'm going to go ahead and go on with that lemongrass line. Just the two stylers, the leave-in conditioner that I mentioned, as well as the styling gel. Those two things. I'm going to go in with those. But let's go hop in the shower. Okay, so you'll see me going in with the shampoo. It does lather well, but I would say it doesn't spread easily. So I usually have this problem, so I'm going to go ahead and just do it twice. Usually that second go around, it does work. So on the second time that I go in, I'm concentrating on my scalp, using my shampoo brush, doing a stroking type motion, not combing it through, but no circles. There you go in with that conditioner. I am like, yes, put that in. And then I'm like, no, because I am not getting any slip at all. So I thought if I went on in with some more of the conditioner, that would help. But I don't know. Yeah, my hand did get stuck in my hair. So that's not a good sign. The slippage is just not there.
This is how much hair I lost.
Okay, so I'm back. I sat underneath the dryer with the plastic cap on for about 45 minutes and then I rinsed it out. Now, on this product, I wanted to give you guys my final thoughts, but I'm kind of iffy right now. Let me take the shower cap off. Let's get into it. So, I already showed you guys how much hair I lost, and I'm not sure about that. Like, I'm not sure what caused that. If it was the product, because it didn't have any slip to me, like, at all. Neither one of them had slip to me. But it was weird because it didn't feel like, what's the word I'm looking for? It didn't feel like it was drying my hair out, but it didn't feel like it was moisturizing it either. So I kind of was like, what is it exactly doing to my hair? Like, it didn't make it feel like hay. I could take some pieces down and show you guys. So it doesn't look like hay. It doesn't feel like hay. But it doesn't feel like I really deep conditioned it. I don't know. And I mean, I'll go ahead and take it all down and let you guys see. You know, before we get started in the styling process, I'll let you guys see what I'm talking about. It just seems like a lot of times a good deep conditioner to me kind of leaves something behind. I don't know if this left anything behind. I don't feel like it left anything behind. Let's start off first with this moisturizing black soap shampoo. Now, this shampoo, I'm going to look here and see what it says as far as what it's supposed to do. So it shows here that it's supposed to remove product buildup without stripping your hair of your vital moisture. It's a clarifying shampoo. It's made from raw black soap, which heals damaged hair from within the follicles. Now, do I know if it heals or not? Not sure. I've literally only used this one time, so I really don't know. But I felt like there's zero slip. And for my type of hair that's already dry, that kind of bothers me because I feel like I'm like ripping my hair out. Granted, it could be my shed hairs. I'll say that. But it just doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel right. Now, it lathered, but it didn't spread easily. The first time I went in, it was very difficult to get it to go from my roots down to my ends. It was very, very difficult. But when I did it again, the second time, it was better. And then I actually had kind of went in on the third time just around like the edges because I didn't feel like those were clean. And another thing, I know that, you know, when you're using products like this, like a shampoo, it's really not good to take the brush and circle like that. But if my scalp is dirty, I really need to do some type of cleaning to the scalp. So that's what I did. But I know that they do mention that as well as a tip not to do that. The next thing we're going to look at is this deep conditioner. I do want to say, so my final thoughts on that. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, I feel like it's clean. It's okay. The problem that I have with it too is, look how much I use. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right here. So I feel like that's a lot. Yeah, I got a lot of hair, but usually I don't use as much of my shampoo that I use as my deep conditioner. I mean, I use like triple the amount of deep conditioners whenever I use any other type of rinse out conditioner. I use a lot. But my shampoos, I'm usually able to go in, kind of wash and get cleansed up. I know it's a sulfate-free shampoo, so those usually don't suds as much, but still, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Now, let's get into this repairing mask or deep conditioner. So this repairing mask or deep conditioner, I'm going to see what it says here. It says that it's supposed to... It has avocados in it, vitamins, beta carotene. It's supposed to give your hair strength, moisture and shine. Okay, and it's supposed to make it soft and elastic. Okay, that way it'll reduce the breakage. Okay, so do I feel like it did that? I feel like it's soft, but I feel like it's not, and I don't really feel like it's dry. I feel like it's just big. I feel like there wasn't any real weight to the product. I like weight. I got a lot of hair and I like things to kind of weigh it down. And I want to say mainly like any of my other conditioners that I really like, I tend to like them with some type of more of a heavier oil in it, because then it kind of deposits some of that and leave that in my hair, and that I feel as if what's give it that weight. It's not bad. It's not bad, but if you're looking for slip, no, it did not give me any slip. So if you're looking for slip, don't pick it up. Also, but if you're looking for something that after you take it off your hair, and it's lightweight, after you take it off your hair, it doesn't feel like it just weighs your hair down with a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of oils and whatnot. You know, you don't get that feeling on your hands. It still feels like my hair is just clean. I mean, so I don't know if that's because the shampoo did its job and it did exactly what it was supposed to do, which was cleanse the hair, and the deep conditioner did what it was supposed to do. Maybe it really penetrated in. I don't know. It's okay. I mean, at this point, I'm just saying it's okay. Because I will say this, like I said, it doesn't feel like hay. And I've used the product once before, and that hay feeling is not fun at all. It is really bad. So I think this is pretty good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up because I got to get started in my next video. My next video, like I said before, I'm going to review the lemongrass leave-in conditioner and the Hold It styling gel by Alikay Naturals. It's their other line. So if you're interested in me doing a video on these and watching that, go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll go ahead and get started in the next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.